Today I am doing a little redecorating in the living room, so I have to sort out the bookshelf. I want to also reorganize the DVDs. I don't have a huge collection of DVDs. The issue I have with my DVDs is that where I keep it in a cabinet, I thought like the picture frames would help the DVD stand together, but the picture frames ain't helping. And I feel like it would be perfect next to the TV. I was going to get like you know those like those book holders. I saw it in TK Maxx prior to lockdown, but then I was like, you know, when you're looking at something, you're like, what's that used for? And then afterwards you're like, that's what it's used for. I can't go into TK Maxx because we're in lockdown basically. I thought, let me just find things around the home that will help my DVDs to stand. Try this out. I haven't done it yet because you can probably see like I've still got the home sign up there, but like yesterday I was like, let me try and see how this looks like with like using like the lamp and the home sign. And yeah, I was like, oh my goodness, it looks so lovely. I had to put everything back because I had to do the video, but yeah, I feel like it looks really, really nice. And I was saying like my cabinet looks plain, not that I didn't like it plain, but now that I found a nice place to put the DVDs, I feel like it just works perfectly now. It's a bit more colour in the living room. It's just really, really, really nice. I have to sort out the bookshelf. I need to sort out the organisation of the books. The books are just standing this way, like facing you. They should be like that. So like, you know, so you can see like the name of the book. So over here, these books couldn't fit this way because it wouldn't mean the door wouldn't be able to shut. So I had to put them this way. But again, I organised them by height so that any book that's shorter won't get disappeared. Like I can literally see all of the books that are in here. So yeah, and then these extra books over here, because I organised the books, I have extra shelf space, which is good because then I'm gonna put the kids' books, their homeschooling books, in here. Where they are over there under the computer desk, it's really, really messy. So this is super, super nice. And also you have this little space as well. This is empty too, so yeah, I've got even more space. Yeah, at some point I will be taking some toothpaste and try and get these marks off the cabinet. Yeah, you can probably see my ironing board and the Christmas trees behind there. Yeah, you can see that, but on a normal day no one would actually see. So I'm utilising every single storage space I have around the home. Because we're in lockdown, financially some of us are not even like wanting to spend a lot of money, so why not just use things around the home to redecorate things, change things around, because it's amazing how you change things around, how it looks even more pretty. Because I found that when I was taking down the Christmas decorations, I was like, oh, everything's look really plain, which I like. I like that. I don't like a lot of things in the living room unless it's like decor and it's working so well. I'm that type of like person. I think it's sort of like a minimalist style. You don't want a lot of clutter, but you want a lot of like, but you want stuff that works well. Like it's really pretty decor type of stuff. So yeah, I hope it inspired you guys. I will be bringing you guys on a monthly, weekly basis, and yeah, I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.